Using the arithmetic sequence recursive form means just repeating the same thing over and over again. So if I give you a recursive form of a sub 1, or a sub n rather, is equal to a sub n minus 1 plus 7, and I tell you that a sub 1 is equal to 3, then what the question I would ask is, what are the first 4 terms of this particular sequence? Well, you know the first term is 3 because I've told you that. Okay, so let's put that 3 up here. Okay, now I'm just going to erase this just to kind of get it out of the way. Now I want to know, what is a sub 2? Okay, a sub 2 is equal to a sub n minus 1, but n is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1 is going to be equal to a sub 1 plus 7. And we already know a sub 1 from up here is 3, so a sub 2 is going to be 3 plus 7 is 10. So now we know the second term is 10. Okay, now you say, okay, I've got a sub 1, a sub 2, what's a sub 3? A sub 3 is equal to a sub n minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2, is going to equal to a sub 2 plus 7. And we know a sub 2 is 10, so a sub 3 is equal to 10 plus 7, so that's 17. And then finally, a sub 4, see the pattern here? A sub 4 is equal to a sub 3 plus 7. And we know a sub 3 is 17, so a sub 4 is equal to, 17 plus 7 is equal to 24. And that gives us our fourth term. So what the recursive form here of an arithmetic sequence means, basically you're given the information, you know a term and you know how to get to the next term, and you just do that repeatedly until you get all the terms you're looking for. As opposed to the explicit form, which is more useful into finding one specific term further down the road, like what is the 24th term, or what is the 15th term, or something like that. Whereas the recursive form is good for finding the next 3, 4, 5 terms in a particular sequence. And that's the difference. But what you'll be given with the recursive form is what the form looks like. A sub n is equal to, in some version of a previous number you might have, a n sub 1 plus or minus some other number, and then you're going to be given one of the terms, usually the first term, but it doesn't have to be. And then from there you start plugging in the numbers to figure out what the list of numbers you're looking for. And that's basically how you do an arithmetic sequence recursive form problem.